In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter a column in Google Sheets on desktop. Now, filtering data is a powerful way to manage and analyze your data efficiently, allowing you to focus on the information that truly matters to you. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can easily accomplish this in Google Sheets. First, you'll want to open your Google Sheet. This is where all the magic happens. Once you have your sheet in front of you, take a moment to look through your data. When you're ready, click on any cell within your dataset. This step essentially ensures that Google Sheets recognizes which dataset you want to work with, providing context for the steps that follow. Now, direct your attention towards the toolbar at the top of your screen. Look for an icon that resembles a funnel. That's the filter icon. Clicking this icon is crucial as it triggers the functionality to filter data within your selected dataset. Once you click the filter button, you'll notice little filter arrows appear in the headers of each column in your dataset. With these arrows in view, decide which column you'd like to filter. Click the filter arrow in the header of that specific column. This action initiates the filter menu, a very handy tool for narrowing down your data. The filter menu provides a list of values available in that column. Here, you can choose exactly which values you want to display. If there are certain values you don't need, simply uncheck them. This is particularly helpful if you're working with large sets of data, allowing you to quickly eliminate clutter. For datasets with numerous entries, sometimes manually scrolling through the list to find specific values can be a bit daunting. Luckily, the filter menu is equipped with a search box at the top. You can type in specific terms or numbers here, which makes the task quicker and easier. This ensures you're able to pinpoint and display the exact data you need without any hassle. Once you've made your selections, click OK. This final step applies the filters and alters the view of your dataset according to the preferences you've just set. From now on, you're looking at only the information that's relevant to you, streamlined and free of unnecessary data points. And that's how you filter a column in Google Sheets on desktop. With this simple process, you can create a more organized, efficient workspace and focus on data analysis instead of getting lost in data clutter. I hope this walkthrough helps you manage your data more effectively.